Now the 18th sum is a different type of problem, which is slightly away from our textbook also, I will say, which is mainly asked in the competitive exams like the NEET and the JEE. A radiation of energy E falls normally on a perfectly reflecting surface. The momentum transferred to the surface is, okay my dear students, this is the reflecting surface. Okay, this is the reflecting surface facing upwards. Now light is incident normally. Light is incident normally, so its energy is E and its momentum is P. Suppose if it is reflected back, okay, it is reflected back. So the momentum will become minus P. In the downward direction, if its momentum is P, means after reflection, its momentum in the upward direction must be equal to minus P. Therefore, change in momentum. Therefore, change in momentum. Okay, change in momentum is denoted by delta P. So, delta P is equal to what? The initial minus final. That is P minus of minus P. So, P minus of minus P is equal to 2P. This is the change in momentum. So, what is the question here is the momentum transferred to the surface is equal to the change in momentum. Okay, students? So, now we are going to take the general equation. So, the de Broglie wavelength lambda is equal to h divided by P. This is the usual equation we have been deriving. Okay, so lambda is equal to what? H by P. Or the same equation can be written as what? P is equal to h divided by lambda. Okay, students. Now C equal to nu lambda. Therefore, lambda is equal to what? C by nu. So I am going to write this as what? This is equal to h divided by C by nu, because lambda is equal to C divided by the frequency nu, so that the nu is shifted up. So P is now equal to what? H nu divided by C. But what is H nu is equal to? Energy of a quantum or energy of a photon. So this is now equal to what? E divided by C. Therefore, P is equal to what? E divided by C. This is one of the steps in the derivation which we have done in the regular class. So if P is equal to E by C means, therefore what is delta P is equal to? Therefore delta P is equal to what? 2P. So this is 2P, this is equal to 2 into E by C. Okay. So the momentum transferred is delta P is equal to what? 2E by C. So you see the four options, which option is correct? 2E by C, that is option B is correct. Okay, students? Therefore option B is right. Option B is correct. Have you understood, students? Okay.